What's up guys, Leo here, and today I will show you how to create an amazing landscape 100% free from scratch using Unreal Engine 4 and Word Machine. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Let's open the Word Machine. You can delete this. Let's line up these boxes just for aesthetic purpose. We're gonna delete this filter, we don't need it. So the first step is to configure the advanced purling. Here we have the style of terrain. You can choose any of those based on what you want. I'm gonna go with rigid. The elevation center changes the altitude of your terrain space. Let's make some randomized terrains using the random seed. You can get different terrains just clicking the button. As simple as that. When you get one that you want, you can change the position of your creation using the Setting Layout button. With that, you can freely move the squared area you want to create. You can now adjust the parameters the way you want. I'm okay with that. So, let's put the natural erosion. We also have thermal weathering, snow, and coast erosion. Delete the wire. Connect the advanced purling with erosion. And let's set things up. We have channeled and the standard erosion. Let's go with the standard. Simple filter. Let's change some parameters. I think those are pretty self-explanatory, so moving on. Let's randomize the seed too. I'm gonna enable the geological time enhancement and okay. Now we'll work on the output. I'll resize it. We need to change the format of the output to RAW 16. That connection is our first output. Okay. I will change the name. And I have to make the other ones. Hide output. 1, 2, 3. Those are raw 8 bits. So let's change all of them. And let's change the names too. Rock, ground, and erosion. We'll change the path of the output files. We'll create a new folder and hide raw 16. Okay. Same with the others. Same folder. Rock. ground, and erosion. Now we have to put some filters. For that, I will put a checkpoint. I need 4 ports, so and let's put the filters. Devices, selectors, select height, and select slope. Let's copy and paste. And connect all those ports. I think that's a good position. Now, for the output connection, we'll need a combiner. One here, copy and paste. Now we can connect the outputs, rock and ground. For de-erosion, we'll need an equalizer and a bias gain filter. Right. Connecting. Positioning. Resizing. And we get to change some parameters. On height, I will want the maximum and the max altitude, and the minimum is gonna be like 900. The slope, I want 90 degrees and about 46. The fall-off is about 0.23. And here I want 7 to 800 and 0. And the slope 0 to 25. And the fall-off is 0.07. Okay. The equalizer 0.5. The bias gain bias 0.35. Oh, and the gain 0.3. Okay, perfect. Checking the outputs. And we're good to go. Let's build. It took about 30 seconds. Let's export the files. Okay. Let's open the Unreal. Sorry, but I will have to blur some of those projects probably. Let's create a new project. Game? I could do from a blank project, but it would be a lot of time consuming, so we're gonna do it with the third person template and with the start content. The name? YouTube landscape. Okay, the first thing I like to do is to show the content browser and to change the user interface, editor preferences, show advanced, check legacy UI, and restart. Okay, we can close this. This is the legacy UI. First of all, let's create a new folder. I will call our material landscape. Inside that folder, let's create another three. Master material, master material, material instance, and material function. Under master material, let's create a material. Master material landscape. Under material function, let's create a material function. The rock, the ground, and the erosion. Saving. Now, let's make the material functions. We will use the start content to create our material, but you can use your own materials if you have them already. We will use the ground and concrete. And last but not least, rock sand. Ground, concrete, and rock sand. Now we're gonna open our material functions. All of them. I will organize the windows, concrete with ground, gravel with erosion, and rock sand with rock. Now it's just copy and paste. Select everything but the material attributes, paste on your material function, and make a material attributes. Here we just have to connect the base color, the roughness, and the normal. Connect the material to the output, and this one is done. Save it, and you can close. Same thing here. Just copy and paste. Make material attributes. And connect everything. Save it and close. Again, same thing. Copy. Paste. Make material attributes. Connect everything. Save it. And we're good to go. Under Master Material, we have to check the Use Material Attributes button and call the functions. Erosion, call. Ground, call again. And rock. Right. Let's order them. Rock, ground, and erosion. And let's blend those materials with Landscape Layer Blend. I'm gonna connect the layer blend to the output. And here we have to add a layer. Actually, 3 of them. One for the rock. You're gonna let everything the way it is. Second is the ground. And third is the erosion. Just connect rock to rock, ground to ground, erosion to erosion. Save it. Close it. Right-click, create material instance, name it. And move to the right folder. Okay. Let's create a new folder. I will call it Layers Info. And let's create a new level. Time of the day template. You can delete these things. You really don't need them, right? So, let's import the landscape we have created in Word Machine. Click on Landscape. Select the raw 16 height file. And click Import. Let's see where the player start is. Okay. Let me adjust the camera. I will reposition the landscape. Minus 110,000. Minus 85,000. And minus 8,900. And I think that's okay. Yeah. Right. Let's select the landscape. Scroll down to the material and let's put the material instance landscape on it. Yeah, you'll be black, no worries. It's supposed to be like that. You can just scroll down on the paint and create a new layer info. Weight blended. Select the folder we've created and OK. Same to the others. New layer, same folder, OK. You can see, when you put the first layer, in our case the rock, it will fill the landscape with that. Now, let's import the height files from Word Machine. I'm gonna start with ground, right-click, import from file, select ground, and done. You can see the blended layers already. It is a pretty smooth blend. Very nice. And let's do the same thing to the others. Erosion will be the next. Import erosion height map. We can see the flow erosion map taking place with blended material. And now, the rock. The order of your importation does matter, so make sure to re-import when it's needed. Look how great this is. Okay, let's change some settings on directional light. Hmm. $356. I'm gonna type in 352 minus 85. I'm gonna type 154. Looks nice. Sorry about those clips. This is my potato PC. I think those settings are good. Maybe. Too much shadow. Um, this part is quite subjective. $352 it is. And that's it. Let's see the result. More glitches, again, potato PC, and that's it. That was a pretty simple landscape generation. But if you want to see a more detailed and elaborated landscape with more layers, auto blend, and more features, let me know in the comment section so I can cover this in another video. If this video was helpful or you enjoy my work, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.